guys, it's Rachel here with Senza Tempo Cane Corso. So we're still out hiking, or walking I should say, not hiking really, we're just walking the trails. Well, this is actually not a trail. I've just decided to go off-road, off-trail, whatever. It's just so beautiful, I had to. Look at this. Come on. I just had to show you guys what it's like. So what I do is I try to find the natural deer trails. That way it's easier to walk because they pretty much already found the best route to avoid cactus and things like that. So you just follow their trails. And look at that structure. Good looking girl. So it looks like we happened upon a trail. Pretty girl. Structure. They're having a blast. I've never actually been to this side of the park before. Oh, look, that's that's the end of the park on the side here. Right there. Let's take a look. Ever since I've been gardening, I all of a sudden look at all these little plants. Look at that. Isn't that no, go away. Isn't that beautiful? And these crazy little hairy things, you really never notice everything that goes into making nature until you try to make some yourself. So this is whoever's property that. Look at all those flowers. That is insane. Belladonna. No. Ever the rule breaker. Get back over here. Good girl. Look at all of those flowers, y'all. Wow. Preacher, really? No. Come on, get back in here. Yep, preacher. He's so tempted. He wants to go run through them so bad. Come on. Get back in here.
I wonder who owns that property.
I don't know. Isn't it beautiful though?
They started locking it up with that. No, Batista. No. Yeah, no. You're not gonna listen. I go back. Come here. Don't hurt you.
We'll just walk away and they'll come. All right, this way. Let's go.
Oh, there's another caterpillar.
There's a lot of them, sweetie. I just love going around in the woods with my dogs. There's no other feeling like it. There you go, dogs. What? Guess his cow got loose.
Could you imagine walking on the trail?
Ooh, look, something lives there. Come on, out of it, Admiral. Come on.
Probably snakes.
Go on. I don't know, but stay out of it.
Foxes?
Come on, let's go. What are y'all getting into? Blondie, get out of it. Psst. Hey, y'all, out of it. Psst. Psst, psst, psst. Get out of it now. Deer poops. They're all,
Get out of it.
they're all about it.
Our property has deer poop on it.
Mm-hmm.
My dogs like to try to
Preacher, get out of it. Let's go.
Is this planted plant?
It looks like it, doesn't it? Or it could just be a piece of stuck plastic.
Tank around it.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing, Preacher? Did you find another deer trail? He picked up on the deer trail. Here it is.
A lot of flowers.
This is really pretty in here, huh?
Let's see.
Look at those birds. Pretty birds.
Looks like there used to be a trail through there. And they've gated it out.
Or somebody's trespassing.
I'm glad they haven't cleared it out. You know?
Well, they probably put cows on it. A lot of people have cows.
With all the flowers?
Mm-hmm. They may just be on a different area. Ooh, look. There's a dead armadillo.
What?
Keep the dogs away. Don't go over there. Come on. They have lots of diseases, yeah.
Why is it so emptied out?
Because it got eaten.
But did the whole body just eat and the shell left in the tail?
That's right.
Why did it do that?
They have a protective shell on the outside. Come on. Admiral. So,
The animal got to it.
yep, they don't eat that. They just turn them over and eat the soft bits.
Where are all the animals that are usually out here?
Hiding.
Hiding where?
Away from us. Come on.
Is that animal fur?
Pardon?
Is that animal fur all cut up in the plant?
Where? I don't see any.
The white fur right there.
I didn't see any.
Feels like it could either be a plant or animal fur with a strip up to the middle. You never would think animal fur.
Yeah, that's not too.
See, look. Is it animal fur or a plant?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks like rabbit fur.
It's got like brown pieces on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that looks like rabbit. Oh yeah, those are feathers. I can see them on the camera. Those are feathers. So yeah.
Some kind of animal.
So some kind of bird.
Birds hold a lot of diseases. Look at the birds up there.
Hey, get out of it, Admiral.
At least there's no birds for Preacher to freak out about. Hey, you guys get out of it. What are you doing?
Come on. Let's go. Let's go this way. This looks to be the better route.
Most people who are camping out here don't come out here more often.
Yeah.
Especially with all these animals out here. You know, they come out at night with the flashlight and you see them.
Mm-hmm.
We saw a fox not too long ago.
Mm-hmm.
Not here, but by,
Crossing the road.
somewhere.
Yep.
What is this?
Oh, we're by that campsite. So I'm going to go ahead and put the dogs on leashes, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.